After you have completed sampling the soil pit and collecting tree cores, you can begin to fill out the tree information sheet. You can label the site name where you took the sample, such as a park name or if it was close to a certain landmark or building in your town. When determining the latitude and longitude, you can simply use the compass app on your smartphone. The latitude and longitude are geographic coordinates indicating your location relative to the equator and the meridian. At the bottom of the app there will be two numbers. One number will have an N for north after it, and the second will have a W for west after it. The latitude is the first number with the N following it, and you will record it exactly as it is presented, with the degree sign, then minutes and seconds following. The second number is the longitude, and you will record it the exact same as it is shown on the screen. Underneath the latitude and longitude is the elevation. Elevation is the height above or below sea level in meters. This is shown on your compass app underneath the latitude and longitude. When recording vegetation, you will examine the landscape around where the samples were taken. Some examples would be wetland, forest, rocky landscape, grasslands, or an urban park. When filling out the historical side notes, you can jot down some quick facts about the site, such as which treaty territory you are on, what types of vegetation or landscaping there is, if you notice an abundance of a certain type of tree, shrub, or grass, if it is close to something significant such as a body of water or industrial processes, like a mine or mill, or anything else you can think of. Now you will use the soil samples you collected to fill out the middle portion of the site sheet. Record the identified soil horizon depths in the spaces provided. Then record the total depth of the pit you dug. Next you will record the numbers you discovered from coring the tree. Record the dBH of the tree, which was the circumference of the tree at breast height, or 1.3 meters. Then, the height of the tree, which you would have determined from using the clinometer and trigonometry to figure out. Next, write down the distance from the closest tree to the tree that was sampled. After this, you will describe the type of grouping the tree was in, if it was surrounded by other species or the same, or if the tree was all on its own. You can also describe what type of grasses and shrubs were surrounding the sampled tree. The next two blanks are left to write down what you labeled both samples. This is what was written on the tape holding the two straws together. The last blank is left for more information that might be significant when collecting the sample, or to give a more specific location of where the sample was taken. Add every other observation about the site that you have thought of. When you flip the page over, there will be open space to draw a site map. The site map is a general picture of the place where you took the sample. First, you will start by determining which way is north, and indicating it on the paper. It is important to draw the map with the proper directions. You will draw the significant landmarks around you, such as tree bluffs, shelter belts, roadways, walkways, bodies of water, buildings, grasslands, or anything else around you. You will also indicate where both samples were taken according to your drawing.